friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking sweet potato wedges in the air fryer. So we need sweet potatoes, seasonings. I'll just use simple salt and pepper. You can use any seasonings you like. And you also need olive oil or vegetable oil to it helps potatoes be more crispy. If you'd rather not use oil, you can just leave it out. So I'm going to cut potatoes into wedges. So first cut the sweet potato in half. And then cut each half in half again. And then cut into wedges. So now the potatoes are cut into wedges. So something I forgot to mention, if you notice I did not peel the potatoes. It's totally up to you to peel them or not. I washed the sweet potatoes before making the video, so they are washed. I like the peel, so it just makes things easier not to peel them, but if you'd like, you can always peel them before cutting them. So now I'm going to put sweet potato wedges in a bowl. And I'm going to drizzle with a little bit of oil. It's just for flavor, it helps it be more crispy, cook better. And sprinkle it with seasonings, so salt and pepper. And now I'm going to mix it so it's evenly coated with oil and seasonings. And now let's take out the air fryer basket, and I'm going to add sweet potato wedges to the air fryer basket and put the basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 15 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's shake the sweet potato wedges so they cook more evenly. And now let's put the air fryer basket back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking. Let's take a look. Look at these sweet potato wedges. They're perfectly cooked and look amazing. Let's take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. They look so good. Perfectly cooked, and they're soft. I just want to cut it so you see they're so soft and perfectly cooked. I'm so excited about trying them. Let's try it. They're delicious. So yummy. You will love them. And it's so easy to cook sweet potato wedges in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!